Hello, I'm back again. And today we'll fly my drone actually, so we can see. I'll find the place actually where we can fly those drone over here in Cayman, because there's regulation in Cayman. So we're choosing the place. It's not like all the places here we can fly this drone. So yeah, I just buy the card reader today, so I can able to transfer all these videos or pictures, and then we can edit, and that's what you can see, all those things, right? So it's another episode, and again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and this where we'll live down here. Look at this jungle, right? But it's a nice place, really nice place. See the flowers? So hot right now over here. It's summer. So all right. So now let's go. Let's see where we can fly those. Where we can fly this drone. Let's see first in the football field. It's close here, so it's about the 10 minutes drive. If nobody's there today, then we can fly this drone freely. Right, let's see what we can do. So here we go. This is the place down here. It's so close, that's what I'm saying. We're here now. There's another car. I don't know, I hope they will not go on that side. We'll see if it will move from there. If not, then well, going back, because there's a lot of people going there, going for jogging. It's so quiet down here. It looks like nobody's here. Now the gate is open also, so I can go inside, and let's see. Yeah, so this is the football field of the SM. This is the Canby area. This is the civic center also. There's basketball court on the other side, and there's a big football field down here. So look at this. It's a nice place, man. There we go. Right, this is it. So yeah, it's ready. So see over here. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. You know, this is the first time that I have to fly in the wide area. So I always fly at the house actually with this small area, but you have to fly high where I live, because if you like, there's a lot of trees down there. So the same as here. The good things here is like it's a football field, and it's clean. The trees only at the side by side. It's not the same as where I live actually. So yeah, let's take off right now. It's kind of close to me. Right? Yeah, so this is the whole area actually over here. This is the football field. Maybe you see this in somehow. It's like I have some pictures like long time ago over here. So it's like freely you can fly down here. It's not smart, you know. Somehow there's a lot of people actually going for jogging and then playing football down there. And then that's the basketball court area down there. That's the civic center. But it's like a shelter once you got like storm or any of this disaster things. In front of that, there's a basketball court where we always played at that side before. So let's go to the other location. We'll see how it goes. Right? Buy this place for now. All right. Cool. So now let's go to the next location. So I don't know if I can fly this where I work at the window, but I have to ask my boss if she will allow me. Then that's fine. But if not, It's fine. Right. The good thing is open today. Usually they always lock this gate, but you can still go inside because there's like small gate that you can always pass by. You can go for jogging inside. You can play football, and then the basketball court area is in front of this civic center. There's a shelter by Easton. This is where we play basketball before with Arturo and some other friends. You can play at night also because there's a light. So now let's go to the other location now. It's still hot, you know. It's like it's already 5 o'clock and it's still really hot outside. So you can imagine during the day, maybe starting at 10 o'clock. Oh my God, outside it's still hot. Good, can't complain. So this is the main road down there. So now we are going to the main road area. This is nice beach. You know, but this one actually is sea beach again. So I hope nobody's there too, because if there's somebody's there, you know, this is the tinsel. Yeah. So that's the tinsel. So the propeller of that boat sank long time ago. That's the one. That's why they call it tinsel. Tinsel sank long time ago. I don't know when is that day, but I will show you down there. So right here, right now, that's where Ellie, you have to drive to go inside. See that? So there's the tinsel down here. The historic rig of tinsel. See that? There's the propeller of the boat sank long time ago. Yeah. So let's go inside. We always go in this area those days. Some of our friends and going fishing. It's like it's a good location for fishing also. So we always go fishing in this area before. It's a nice location down here. I hope it's not so windy so that we can fly this drone right now. It's not this cement, actually, just like rough road those days. And right before the pandemic, they start having construction with this road right now, and it's so nice. Let's find a place we can fly. There's a shade also down there too. And if you want to sit, relax, that's new. Yeah, we always go fishing in this area before. I'm gonna show you where. It's over here. Now we're done flying, so let's go home. Say, look at this view down here. That's the castle. That's the ocean frontier down there. So you can see this boat. That's the ocean frontier. It's still really hot, like almost 6 o'clock in the evening already, but still really hot. So again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like Mixology, and then my Facebook page. And I see you next time. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.